Are you looking to save $15,000 on a brand new Toyota wheelchair accessible van? I can show you. Our competitors are selling these for over $80,000. We have them for $64,995 with free shipping. Check this out. It's got the ADA compliant 40-inch wide ramp. They fit wheelchairs of all sizes. This is manual, easy to operate. I have one hand here. Look at this. I can put one finger on this, take it to the ground. Now, a lot of our competitors, they're going to try and stick you with these old 1980s tie-down straps that are difficult to maneuver. We give you upgraded, free deluxe tie-downs. So you know how easy these are to use. You're going to save you and your employees time. Now, this is the deep cut rear entry. And let me show you what I mean by that. What we can do is get one wheelchair up front here. Got a 20-inch wide wheelchair so you can see it haul a bigger chair up front. And what we do with this chair here, roll it up the back. And if you're starting an NEMT business, you need to know what ADA compliance is. We can help you with that. But hauling 2 chairs at a time, you're helping twice the people. You're generating twice the revenue. I want you to stop for a minute. I want you to look at this van. I want you to imagine your logo up on the side of this van. Now I want you to imagine some of the vans you see your competitors driving. Who are your clients more likely to choose? Who are your facilities more likely to choose? You've got the raised suspension in the back to make a safer, secure ride for all of your clients as well. Comfort, security, and it looks great. Who are they going to choose? And depending on what part of the country you're in, I know fuel prices are high and they get even higher during the summertime. But these brand new Toyotas seen us 36 miles a gallon. If you're driving a vehicle right now, like an older Dodge Caravan or Chrysler, getting about half that fuel. Cut your fuel prices in half. It'll more than make your monthly payment just by the savings you make on fuel. You can't go wrong with these brand new, reliable Siennas. We have free shipping, financing available, never any hidden fees, and the best prices in the country. Check us out at mobility316.com. You'll be glad you did.